Given that PR is perpendicular to SQ, so PR is perpendicular to SQ, and that PQ is, oh, this shouldn't say parallel, this should say congruent. We know that PQ is congruent to PS. It shows us right here. So we can actually see that they both have this right here, these two sides, PS and PQ, like they're congruent. So we have a side already. We can see that we have this side that they share. We just got to find either another side or another angle. So let's go ahead. PR is perpendicular to SQ. So PR is perpendicular to SQ. And this was given. So what can we get from this? If we know that this is 90-degree angle right here, well, if we know that they're perpendicular, we know that PR and SQ form 90-degree angles, right? So we know that PRQ, this one right here, is also 90-degree angles. So we know that angle PRQ is 90 degrees. So we know that angle PRQ is congruent to PRS, angle PRS. We know this because that's what perpendicular means. So this is just the definition of perpendicular lines. By definition, if PR is perpendicular to SQ, then we know that 90-degree angles are created. Definition of perpendicular. Of perpendicular lines. Cool. So we have the side, we have this angle, now we have this. Okay, so PQ is congruent to PS. So that's a side. So we have this angle, we have this side, and we also have this side right here. So we know that PR on that triangle, on the top triangle, is congruent to the PR on the bottom triangle. Ooh, let me back up. PQ is congruent to PS. PQ congruent to PS. That was given. And then we said PR is congruent to PR, and that's just the reflexive property. So we have a side, we have a side, and we have an angle. But remember, there's no such thing as side-side angle. There's no such thing. So we can't use side-side angle or angle side-side. We can't use that. But what we can use, because it's a right triangle, is hypotenuse leg. So we know that triangle PRS is congruent to triangle PRQ. And we know that by hypotenuse leg. Oops. Hypotenuse leg postulate. Remember that if we have a right triangle, then we can use hypotenuse leg. Hypotenuse, this is our hypotenuse. And then this is our leg. This is the hypotenuse. So in both of these, our hypotenuses are the same, are congruent, and they have a shared leg, so we can use hypotenuse leg. And that is it. Thank you.